Aloha! Today I'm going to share with you what I wore in Hawaii. I am staying in Waikiki and I have been here for 6 nights and 7 days. During the day it's in the 80s and when the sun goes down it gets to about like 73, 74. So yeah, it's been really nice weather. It almost makes me want to just not do anything because the breeze is it's so nice when you're laying out on the beach. It's just like the perfect weather. It was a little bit windy on some days. For the most part, it was, perfect weather here in Hawaii, and it's not too humid, so I really enjoyed the weather here. The first outfit I'm actually wearing right now, this is a dress from Zara, and I actually purchased this dress for a previous trip to South Carolina, and I ended up not wearing it. Luckily, on this trip, I wore it more than once. I wore it out to dinner, I wore it out to lunch. It's like the perfect outfit for Hawaii, in my opinion. It's a little bit of a stretchy material, but it's got like flowers on it. The back is really cute, and it's a very long dress, but it's got a little bit of a slit in the front, so it gives it a little bit of this like sexy appeal to it, or a sexy look to it. It's not like, it makes it easier to walk too. This dress I feel like could be dressed up or down. Sometimes I would wear a hat with this dress. I would change out my accessories or my purse. So yeah, that's how I wore this dress. And I'm really glad I brought it because it ended up being the perfect dress for Hawaii. And then this hair accessory, I actually got this from a friend. So I actually didn't purchase this, but I think you can buy this somewhere on the island. I saw when I went to the ABC stores, there's a bunch of them. You can buy accessories there, like cute Hawaiian accessories. But when I wasn't wearing this flower in my hair, sometimes I would wear this hat with this dress or this hat. Now I packed these two hats. This one I packed inside my suitcase, and this one I stuck on the outside of my carry-on bag. I used this hat clip, and this hat clip I put on my carry-on bag, my tote bag right now. But this is how I carry my hat. So this came in handy a lot this time, just because when like I said, it was really windy on some days, so even though I wanted to wear a hat, I couldn't because it would just keep, I was so afraid it would really fly off, and I was holding it down, and eventually my arm got tired and it was just not worth it to wear a hat. So I'm glad I had this, so whenever I wasn't wearing it, I was clipping it on here. And this magnet is really, really strong, so it never, the hat never flew off or came off. So if you're looking for a hat clip, this is a really good one. I've seen some other ones out there and the magnet is not that strong, but this magnet is really strong. I've never had an issue with my hat falling off. I will say probably only attach one hat, because the more hats you attach, obviously the magnet is not going to be as strong because it has to go through more material. This is a really good accessory for Hawaii. The majority of the time I just wear flip-flops, and a lot of people here are wearing flip-flops. So the fun part about Hawaii obviously are the bathing suits, and it's been a while since I bought a bathing suit. The last time I went out and bought one was when me and Crystal went to Costa Rica, which was, I believe that was 6 years ago. It's been a while. So when I knew that we were gonna, go to Hawaii, I was like, yay, I think I'm ready to get a new bathing suit and not wear the same one I've been wearing the past 6 years. So one of the bathing suits I got was a one-piece, which I had been wanting a one-piece bathing suit and just haven't made the purchase until now. This is from Quince. It's a very high cut style in the front and back. I mean, in the past 6 years, the style has changed as far as the cuts in bathing suits. So I was a little bit shy at first, but I got used to it, and I actually do really like the style. And it's also a very deep plunge here. It's stretchy, and yeah, I've been really liking this bathing suit. And another bathing suit I wore is from a brand called Marcella. I actually got this swim top from Crystal. She wore it on one of her trips last summer, and I was telling her how I really loved her top, and she was really nice and ended up giving it to me so I can wear it on my trip to Hawaii. I love it because you can wear it as a tube top, or you can wear it with this strap above, on your shoulder, slightly below your shoulder. I just love how you can change the style of it a little bit. And with this top, I wore the bottoms, which are a high-waisted bottom, and these are a high cut too in the front, not so much in the back, but in the front it's definitely a higher cut. And what I wore to the beach over this bikini is this cover up. And this was like a last minute purchase. I purchased this at TJ Maxx the night before my trip. It's called Haute Hippie. It was on sale for 20 bucks. It has pockets. It's nice and long. So I liked wearing this with my flip-flops, the bikini underneath, and then I would, wear this hat sometimes if it wasn't windy. This has been perfect for Hawaii. I'm so glad I went to TJ Maxx and got this. Because this was a beach day look or a pool look, I wouldn't carry my other bag, but I would carry this black mesh bag. This bag I bought in Japan at the 100 yen store. So it was like, I think it was like $3 or less than $3. But yeah, this bag is so awesome for the beach, and it has a zipper. I wanted a bag with a zipper for the beach so my things didn't fall out. I packed a lot of shorts on this trip, and I'm so glad I did because I wanted to get my legs tan. So one of the shorts I wore is from this brand called Sezane. It's a French brand, but they do ship to the US, and their shipping is really fast. So don't worry if you want to order from them if you're worried that the shipping is going to be really slow. I've ordered from them multiple times. If you order a certain amount, it's free shipping, but returns are always free, and I've never had an issue with returning items, never had an issue with shipment. I just love the quality of their fabric, and I love their styles. Their styles are so classy. They're easy to mix and match with other items or styles that they have. So I've had these shorts for 2 summers now. I wore this last year as well in the summer when we went on our trip to San Diego, and I wore this here in Hawaii. I love it. These are a great pair of shorts. The material is kind of thick, so if you wanted to wear this in the winter with tights, I mean, you can totally do it with boots. And on top, I wore their tank top. I thought this tank top was perfect for Hawaii. It's like cute. So the only thing with this is, as you can see through a little bit. So and I don't want to wear a bra, like a normal bra with this because it just doesn't look nice. So what I did, I wore underneath is this thing called Gatherall, and it is these reusable adhesive bras. They have them in different colors like skin tones. They describe it as a backless silicone adhesive bra. Made by women for women. It's waterproof, it's washable. I purchased this last year and I've worn it several times. Every time I remove it, I rinse it off with a very mild soap. After I wear it and after I wash it and let it dry, or rinse it, let it dry, I just roll it back up and stick it back in here, and it like easily goes in my suitcase. So it's really easy to take care of. I've had any issues, and it really does stick on all day, even when you're sweating. Like, I have used other adhesive bras before, and either they were too sticky or irritated my skin, or it only lasted a few wears, but not this. I've at least worn this 10 times, and so far, like, it's still like the way I like it's brand new. After I wash it, I put it back in here, and when I wear it again, it's like it's brand new. So I have really been liking this. And so when I wear it underneath this, it's really seamless. If you're looking for adhesive bra, I highly recommend this one. So with this shorts and top, I wore either flip-flops or these sandals from Beek. I always forget the name of it. I want to say Bleach for some reason. But they are a brand from San Diego, and it's really nice quality. I've had this for more than 5 years now, and the leather just gets better and better as I wear it. It's really soft, it's really comfortable. The only thing that has kind of worn out, because I've had these for 5 years, is the sole. I put these non-slip stickers on the bottom of it. I need to put another one on because, again, I've worn these so much that it's kind of like wearing off the grip, so I don't want to like slip and fall. I've been either wearing these or flip-flops the entire trip. Another outfit that I wore is this romper from Zara, and I really like this material. Really comfortable. It's kind of like a deep V-neck, so it shows a little bit of cleavage. It has on the back here, the waistband, it stretches, so you don't have to worry about it being uncomfortable. There is stretch to it on the waist. I think this was like a really nice, summery outfit for Hawaii. Sometimes I wore a hat with this, just depending on how windy it was. And then the purse, this purse, which I did not bring this purse with me. I purchased it here on the island. I really wasn't looking for a purse, but then when I was walking around and shopping, I saw this and it caught my attention. I'm like, okay, I'm gonna get it. And I've been using it like pretty much the entire time on this trip. It's like a really good size. It's very, you know, summery, and it matched all my outfits. So I'm really glad that I made this purchase. So I'm gonna share a couple of other bottoms that I wore. And I wore these bottoms with the top with like either this Sezane tank top or a bikini top. So the first pair are these shorts from Zara. I liked wearing these like if we went to, you know, a restaurant at night. And on top, I would wear my bikini top from Marcella, and then I mostly carried this purse with me and wore this purse with this outfit, and then flip-flops. Sometimes with this outfit, I would wear this hat, and then sometimes I wore these pants with this top. And these pants are from Aritzia, and I've had these pants for a couple summers now as well. I love the like white and cream, like off-white cream colored bottoms. The only thing is they do get dirty, like there are some spots on here, but you know, that just comes with wearing something that's white. So you just gotta be able to handle it and be okay with it. I'm okay with it. It doesn't really bother me that much. It's like a little bit of a stain, I guess, from where I was sitting at lunch, and the seat must have been a little bit dirty. The only thing with these pants, they're a tad see-through. So whenever I'm wearing pants that are a little bit see-through, or even dresses, any bottoms that are a little bit see-through, I always wear these shorts from Thigh Society. I found them through Instagram, through an ad, and I love these. I bring them on all my trips, especially if I'm packing anything that's a light colored and kind of see-through. It's really thin, it's stretchy, so it doesn't add extra like inches to your waist. It's a really seamless pair of shorts. In the past, I've tried to just buy like cheap yoga shorts, like short yoga shorts, but they just never worked out because the material is thicker. So when I found these are perfect. So it's really thin material, but still gives you coverage. During the day, I don't mind wearing just the bikini top, but if we went somewhere at night to eat, or if we went to a restaurant that was a little bit chilly, I would always throw on this cardigan. And this cardigan is from Quince. It is made of alpaca-wool, and this is my go-to cardigan for the past few years now. It's lightweight but warm. It's really elegant. I like that it's lightweight because then I can just toss it in my bag and it's not heavy. It's just like, it adds a really nice casual upscale look to your outfit. Sometimes it wasn't like that cold, but it was kind of cold, just my shoulders were cold, so you know, I just kind of like tie it and wear it like this. But I'm so glad I decided to pack this last minute, because at first I'm like, oh, I don't need a jacket, I don't need a cardigan that's going to be really warm there. But it does get breezy. Well, at least some days I were here, it was kind of breezy at night, so it got a little bit chilly. Nothing where it was like unbearable, but I was much more comfortable wearing a cardigan, or having this cardigan, and being able to wear it some nights when it was a little bit like breezy. I wanted to share with you some of the accessories that I packed for this trip that really came in handy. And the first thing that came in handy was this CaseMate. I bought this on Amazon before our trip. So basically it's a waterproof case for your phone, and it also comes with the strap. And it came in handy when we went in the water or in the pool, just because I don't want to leave my things just sitting with no one watching it. It really makes me nervous because everything is on my phone. Here's the strap. You can wear it as a crossbody or, you know, around your neck. And all I did was, well, I took these straps off, but I would just stick it in here and close it, and it kept it dry. So I highly recommend getting some sort of waterproof case if you're going to go in the water and you don't want to leave your items unattended. Another item that I purchased before the trip that really came in handy was this mini selfie stick. I usually don't have to carry a selfie stick because Crystal usually carries a selfie stick when we're traveling together. I love this. It is so compact. It's really easy to use. I can easily set this up. It has like a little tripod here, and then you can, you know, you can attach your phone here, either horizontal or vertical. The remote here, it is Bluetooth wireless, and it works amazing. It connects to your phone right away, and you don't even have to point it at the phone for it to shoot. I can just hold it down or behind me, it clicks right away. The remote is fantastic on this, and then when I want to close this, it's that easy to close. That's it. Oh my gosh, this is the perfect selfie stick. Another accessory I packed on this trip was my bandolier. This is a phone case that also has straps, so you can wear it as like a purse, like a phone purse. I have so many different straps, but for this trip I packed my chain slash pearl strap, and also with this set that I got, it also comes with a mini strap. So sometimes I didn't wear the long strap and I just wanted to, you know, use the mini strap where I can attach it and just hold it in my hand. But if you're not familiar with Bandolier, I highly recommend them. Ever since I found out about them, every time I've upgraded my phone, I always have to get a new case because I just cannot live without my Bandolier case and strap. Another accessory that I packed, it's more like a wardrobe accessory, is cakes. And it's kind of similar to Gatherall, but a little bit different. So Gatherall, like I said, it's like an adhesive. The cakes is a little bit different. They're more just like nipple pasties, but not the annoying little ones. So I used to have nipple pasties, but it's like it almost draws even more attention to your nipple. It does cover and flatten it, but then you see that, like, you see the outline of the pasty, which I was not a fan of. So that's why I ended up, you know, buying this, because this kind of solved that issue. However, there are times where I don't want to wear this for several different reasons. Sometimes I just want something more simple, and this was the solution. So basically, whenever I'm wearing crop tops or something that's a little bit tight and I don't want to wear a bra or I don't want to wear that, then I can wear these underneath. And this is so much better than those smaller nipple pasties because it's a lot larger, so it covers more area. So basically, when you're wearing another top, it's really seamless, and you don't see like, oh, she's wearing a nipple pasty. Like, you can't even tell you're wearing anything. So I can only wear this though when I'm wearing tops that are a little bit tight. Although they do say on their site that it sticks and it won't fall off, which, yeah, it doesn't right now, like when it's on my arm, but it does eventually fall off. So I would only recommend wearing these when you're wearing a top that's more fitted. Basically not something to wear when your top is loose. But I like to wear this with those tops because it doesn't have that sticky adhesive. And sometimes I don't want that sticky adhesive. This is why I have kind of like two different options of like silicone bras, I guess you could say. But this one is called Cakes. And again, like I found them through an Instagram ad. And they have different colors as well for different skin tones. So. And yeah, I've been really liking this underneath. Tops that are more fitted, it doesn't work for loose tops. For loose tops, I like to wear Gatherall. Another thing with this too, Gatherall, it also gives you cleavage. That's why I have two different kinds for different purposes. And as far as jewelry, what I pretty much wore was what I'm wearing right now is, well, this is a rubber band that I bought in Japan that looks like a bracelet. Sometimes I want to put my hair up when it's hot. So I would, I like having these bracelets or these hair ties that look like bracelets. And these bracelets, both of these bracelets are from Gorjana. Necklaces are also from Gorjana. I love Gorjana. They have really nice, simple necklaces that are easy for layering. Same with bracelets. The pearl necklace is not from Gorjana. I purchased this from, I believe, a brand in Europe. All right, so that is my outfit review for Hawaii. I don't know if I mentioned, but the dates I was here was June 20th through June 27th. I hope you liked this review. If you did like it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.